Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to pick a handcuff just in case someone tries to capture you. Okay, so hold on. Wait, lighting's really bad. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do is, mine's broke, so I have to put it back. Okay.
And no.
The reason I had it backwards so I could demonstrate, because it'd fall off while I was demonstrating. So there's this thing here where the handcuff locks. So when you pull that down, that holds on to these little clamps you see here. So what you're gonna do is, this won't necessarily be on a real handcuff, but there will be something like that you can't really move because the handcuff is actually locked. And yes, it broke again. So now let's put it on the right way, and I'm going to show you how to unlock it. So first you're going to put it on like a regular handcuff, and you're going to let it clamp on, oh Lord, you're going to let it clamp onto the little thing is clamped at the third one, right here. Okay. And then you're going to take a little hook like this. It doesn't have to necessarily, you can make one of these like with paper or anything. Well, not paper, because paper's not strong enough material. So, I'm probably not looking at the camera no matter what I do. So, wait, yeah, because my camera's down. How about I turn it this way? Yes, and then no. Okay, we're just going to have to do it like this. Okay, so
I could hold it.
We're taking this hook, and what you want to do, hold on, I can't remember. What you want to do is, you want to take it, and you see a little keyhole, you want to stick the hook into the keyhole upside down. And then, on the inside, you see where the latch is. You want to grab hold to that on the other side of the thing where it's locked, and just pull down. Now, I'm pretty sure y'all didn't see that, so let's go over that one more time, just so y'all know. So in the real case scenario, it's around your wrist. They put it on your wrist, and you have a hook or something in your pocket. What you want to do is you want to take it, and you want to grab that and pull it down. So yeah, that's how you do it. So now let's do a real case scenario. Jaden, hold the camera for me, please. Hold it towards it. So in a real case scenario, and you especially have to be careful if it's tied around your back. Hold on. What you want to do is, crap, I keep putting it on backwards. Okay. What you want to do is put it around your wrist, as always. You can do it from front or back. And you put it on. And you'll have it in your pocket, so pretend you're hit, so you have to grab it, and what you're going to do is you're going to stick it in the lock. Watch. Stick it in the lock, and you want to reach and find it and pull. Now, I'll show you from the back. What you're going to do is you're going to put it on as usual, but you're going to tie it from the back. So not necessarily tied, but Jaden, could you reach that thing, put the camera down for me?
Huh?
Can you reach that thing for me? Thank you. So you want to reach into it. Be careful with it so you don't stab your hand. Find the lock. Reach in. Grab. And that's my tutorial. Bye.